Hi guys, and welcome to my final reveal for the Airfix 1/72 scale World War II RAF Bomber resupply set, kit number A05330. There's the box, and there's all the parts that come with the box. 197 pieces. Now, I have one contention with the box art. It shows the Bedford WMC water truck, and it shows the Bedford WMD truck there. Now, you don't get both in the kit. You have the option to either build it that way or that way, but there's nothing on the box that tells you that. So when you see that, you think, oh cool, look at all those vehicles, and you're fooled into thinking everything's in there, but it's not. So that's one contention. But overall, what do I think of this kit? Value for money. Well, in America we can get this kit for $21.59 from scalehobbyist.com, and for that price, 197 pieces, goes together great. Really enjoyable building it. I think that's great value for money. There was only one thing wrong with this kit, and that was a short shot, and that was on the maintenance tower. You can see that in the photograph up here now. So I had to repair that. Other than that, love it. It's a level 2 kit, and I agree with that. I think a beginner, you need to get probably half a dozen kits under your belt before you attempt it. There's a few finicky little parts, and gluing these small parts, you can make a mess if you don't know how to glue accurately without leaving residue. So yeah, great value for money. In the UK you can buy this kit for £22.60 from Jadlam Toys, and that equates to $29.69 at today's exchange rate. Now, for almost $30, I wouldn't think that was great value for money. So it's more expensive in the UK for some reason than it is here in the US. It's $8.10 cheaper here in the US. So that's it. My first time doing anything other than aircraft and a couple of figures that I've built, and so I was a little out of my comfort zone, but I really enjoyed it. And so go easy. I hope you like what I've done. I think everything looks pretty good for my first attempt at vehicles. I enjoyed doing it. So that's it guys, I'm not going to waffle on. This is all going to go into a diorama that I'm going to build next now I've completed this, including my Halifax Bomber, and this is all part of my entry into the Bomber Command group build that I'm hosting on here and on Facebook. There's only 2 weeks left, so I've got 2 weeks to get a diorama done. Got to get my finger out. That's it guys, hope you like it. Thanks for following the build updates so far and for all your comments, greatly appreciated. And let's move on to the final reveal. Tally-ho, chocks away.